Here's a retake of his personal with Pty Ltd hydraulic at Indooroopilly general practice. Hopefully I don't feel sick today. I don't know what these buttons are called. But button has seen better days. It blew out. Smile, you're on camera. Lift number 1, maximum load 1250 kilos, 17 persons. We'll do a cab view. Is that some new lighting up there? Oh, it might be. B2 is always locked as it's staff level. Have a look at the LOP out here. Dewhurst US 90-15. Now it's time to have a look at the LOP on the basement level. Now I have to be quick because I don't want to miss the bus. Because I have to go to school today. Installed 1999. So it's like 26 years old. The LOP on the B1 level. Ground floor button is missing. I don't know what font that is, but the down button is working fine. The up button is a problem. There it goes. That's it.